Thank you so much for your participation so far. Now that we've discussed what an interview is and what we want to get out of an interview, we're going to practice interviewing one another. Don't worry, this is a safe place. So let's recap. We discussed what we think an interview is. We determined an interview is a two-way interaction during which the hiring manager has an opportunity to ask the candidate questions regarding his or her skills and experience. We also talked about the interview process being an opportunity for us as a candidate to ask questions as well and determine if we think there's a good personality and a good cultural fit. So how do we get ready for this? Interviewing can be stressful. Today, I'd like for us to take a few minutes to practice answering some commonly asked questions. Having the questions in front of us and practicing with a peer is a great way to overcome the nerves. Also, it gives us a chance to think through how we want to answer those questions when given that opportunity in a real interview. So some of the things to just start thinking through before we get to the actual questions is, the first one is, what makes you stand out from the crowd? What are you great at? What do you want to share with this specific employer about you? Why are you the best candidate for the job? On the screen behind me, there's a list of 10 commonly asked interview questions. This list is from Forbes magazine. Forbes is a very popular business publication. So take a moment to review the questions, and then we'll pair up. We'll have 6 minutes for the activity. You'll take turns with your partner. You will each pick one or two questions. You may pick the same question or two different questions, and you will take turns. One time you will ask the question and your partner will answer, and then you'll reverse it. And as you're going through the exercise, I want you to think through a couple of items. For instance, did you say everything you wanted to say? Did you let your employer know everything you wanted them to know about you? How satisfied are you with your answers? At the end of the activity, we'll take a few minutes to share with the class. I'm looking forward to hearing what you learned about yourself and if you've had any aha moments. So let's get started.